This is a 1936 Ford. Just the way Henry made it. Nice paint. The car's been completely restored. This is top-notch quality restoration. Take a look at the chrome. Take a look at the paint. You want to win trophies at car shows, this one's it. Look at the tires, how nice they are. Got the side mount, wood bed. It does have turn signals added. Nice chrome bumpers. And we'll go back around here a little bit and get inside and take it for a ride. But it's nice to see these this way. You usually don't see them. They're always hot rodded out. People have taken the engines and changed it. But take a good look at the quality. And look at all the pictures that we have of the underside, close-ups of the chrome paint, and we'll take it for a little ride. Brakes are good. All the gauges work. Everything works on the car, even the wipers. Shift's nice. A lot of nice pickup. The engine runs fantastic. It's been completely rebuilt and redone. Nice car. So if you're looking for a 36 Ford, give Nick a call at Dream Cruise Classics, 586-453-9316. Again, that's 586-453-9316.